Hey guys, Satish here from Dallas, Texas. So today we're going to learn how to save some money, make some money, and cool stuff like that. If you have not subscribed to my channel or haven't seen my content, please check it out after this video. And if you feel like subscribing, please subscribe. And anytime if you want to hit that like button once you enjoy this video, that is appreciated. Now, on this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can either make money or save money. I said save money, that's right, on expensive items like iPhone, AirPods, and things like that, okay? So there's a website called directliquidation.com, okay? You get the idea, right? Pretty much, you can find items here that have been sent back because they can't restock it in store like Walmart, Target, Lowe's, and places like that, okay? So they can't, let's say you buy an item, right? And then you bring it back because you don't like it or something doesn't work out, and you bring it back, right? As long as it's usable, but it's not where they can sell it as new product, okay? They sell it to these companies in pennies, okay? And these companies also sell it back to you, making still a bit of money, okay? That's the whole idea. And let me show you, okay? So if you come up here, let us go ahead and click on here. Let's click on AirPod. There you go. AirPod. So you can get AirPod Pro. It comes with the case. Everything is well. Let's go look right here. So condition, it says grade C. So grade C is, so it's grade A, B, C, right? So A is pretty good, B is not so good, C is, oh, it's okay, it works, okay? But keep in mind, you also get 90-day warranty. So it's not like it's bad product, okay? Fully functioning product in good retail ready condition with significant, okay, so there is some defect on the cosmetic. That's why it's the grade C, okay? You gotta keep that in mind. But what you can do with these things is, let's go back, okay? Let's go back right here. Let's find others, okay? So they got here 30 pieces of these, AirPods for 234K, 2.3K. It says grade D, okay? And you can find TVs and pretty much everything, right? Like iPhone and pretty much everything. So here's the idea, right? So what you can do is a couple of things, okay? So go here, find a product, okay? Find a product, and then just copy the images, and you can put it up on sale on eBay, Craigslist, Etsy. You can put it on sale on Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, that's right. So just take a picture of these and just put it on sale on there, okay? And of course, you're going to put that margin in there. And then once somebody buys it, right, you come back here and then you order it and then ship it out to them. Let me show you an example, okay? So a lot of people don't realize they can do it. It's not Etsy. I don't know how to pronounce it. Etsy. If you come up here, okay, AirPods Pro, let's find out, okay? So these are not real ones. Okay, it's just a thing. It's not the whole thing. But if somebody's selling here for 95 bucks, right? I bet you can find AirPods Pro on that site if you look around for like 60, 70 bucks as well. So find it there and come here and sell it here, okay? You can do it on here. The best way to make the biggest bang for your buck is going to be Craigslist, okay? Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Those both places, you're going to love it, okay? Just put it up for sale, and once somebody pays you, just buy it from here and ship it out to them, okay? That's pretty much it, okay? Simple way, and I said save money as well, because sometimes, right, if you don't need a new item, let's say you need a TV, right? Like these TVs on the back, right? So I have 6 TVs in the back, okay? Now, these TVs, if I bought them like, brand new, they would cost me like, I don't know, about $400 to $500. But I got those for like $250. They work fine. They were on a brand new, pretty much good package. The only difference was somebody bought it, right? And they took it home and they thought, oh, it's not for me. That's the only reason. And I got 6 months warranty on them instead of 1 year, which is fine, right? So, and I bought them from wholesaliquidation.com. And like I said, you can either use this to make money or save money, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Hopefully you'll subscribe if you haven't yet. If not, share this video with your friends on Twitter, Facebook, etc. Because I think your friends will love this video if you share it, because they will be able to not just, they can sell it, do this, or the best part about this video is that they will be able to save money on these expensive items. Okay, maybe your friend has been wanting that iPhone, iPhone Pro, 12 Pro, and what you can do is, share this video and show them that, hey, they can get an iPhone Pro for super cheap price. So let's go here. Okay, let's check it out. If there is any. There is. It's for 801. So you do save some money, guys. So as you can see, you can buy iPhones for cheap price. It's grade A, meaning it's perfect condition. So see what I mean? So not only can you use this site for, you can, buy it and resell it, of course, or to save money. I hope, this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, whatever you want to do. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.